Hi guys, this is How to Make Slime by the Boys and Girls Club of Mills-Brimley-CAMP. The ingredients needed are glue, borax, warm water, a container, measuring cups, and spoons. This video is featuring club member Leila. She adds about 3/4 cup of glue into her container. Then she has 1 cup of warm water, and she puts about 3 tablespoons of borax into the water and then mixes it until it's dissolved. Once it's dissolved, she adds about 2 tablespoons of the mixture into her glue. She gradually adds more of the mixture until her slime is starting to solidify. The trick to gradually adding the borax mixture into the glue is to make sure your slime doesn't get too solid. You want it to be stretchy. Once it gets to this texture, you want to start kneading it. This will be really messy, but it's a really important step to get all the air bubbles out of your slime and to make it stretchy. This is what it should look like after all of that kneading. It looks pretty smooth and it is really stretchy. And there you have it, perfect slime! Thanks to everyone for watching.